going to answer a question that a lot of our patients have when they come to our clinics. Who will benefit from compression stockings or vein stockings? Everyone will benefit from compression stockings. Why? Because everybody needs a good circulation. If you wear compression stockings, not only will you have a good circulation throughout the day, that at the end of the day, your legs are gonna feel so much better. No pain, not redness. At the same time, you are preventing that you might get varicose veins in the future. Even those ugly spider veins that people get, you can prevent them by just using compression stocking. Again, everyone will benefit from putting on compression stockings daily. If you are the type of person that in your profession or your daily work, you're always standing or sitting for long periods of time, wearing compression stocking will keep your legs nice for the beach day and summer days in Fresno.